left! He left! This sounds so gay. For you. Ah!
Look like a fashion gay.
What, gay? Gay? Hi guys. Hello sisters. At the Tencent quarter. Oh my god. I cannot believe it. That's Levi. Where the penguins are welcoming you. But the gym looks pretty empty. I guess they don't work out. But we're not talking about some random company. It's Tencent, biggest company in China. We're away from the criminals. There's a strong lighting.
From operations, and I always work with our designers. My last photo is 우리가 카이트로 온다로구나.
Let's go! It's over.
Victory!
MVP. Wait, he's dipping. He left. He left. Woo! Oh! 谢谢。Yo, 1 in 144 chance.
Show me.
There's a really rare one.
Show me.
Hey, what is that?
Easy.
Oh, you got e-sync?
Harley.
It's made, man. I feel it. I feel it.
I got the same thing, e-sync. Okay, HOK, see you tomorrow. You're so chopped. Ping pong? Ah! Oh! Oh! He's actually good. I'm losing. Ah. Hey, GG. I lost. You good? You good? Retired ping pong player. I know. GG's. We're in the Forbidden City. Imagine living here. Like, you guys probably don't feel how high it is because we're on a video. You see how small the people are? Look how large it is. Moon, that's Moon. Moon.
Great door.
Yo, is that the palace, Dave? Whenever he walks out of the palace, it takes like hours to get out of this place. It's actually huge. Holy sh**. Was there bubble tea back then? Or like milk tea?
Milk tea?
Yeah.
Yes.
I have a question. Why is it called the Forbidden Palace?
Okay, why? Forbidden Palace is the forbidden area for common people.
Common people.
Common people.
Oh, right.
Like you.
So in
So he was-
feudal system, hierarchy is very clear. Daytime. In the evening, they will go to the largest square.
You know what's this?
Yes.
This is called
Big hot pot.
This is hot pot, yeah.
Actually?
Yeah.
This is what the fuck, what is it?
They cook pop.
For 20 MOBA Zanes? Might be not enough. Wow, wait, we're not even like seeing half of it. Yeah, it's not just big. It's actually like very big. Baker pose. Go, go, go. Look at her face. She's disgusted. Literally.
Damn.
See? Or like,
You caught that? You still ask.
let the girls be. If you're putting money, I'll do it.
Okay.
How much?
How you go up? Say, excuse me.
Can I ask you a question? Do you speak English?
No.
A little bit?
No, I don't speak English.
She does! Can you just explain what you're wearing?
我是格格，
Yeah, so she's a princess.
Oh, okay.
我是小公主，我们俩是公主。
Oh.
Gongjuo. Gongjuo is the princess, I know.
我是不是？我是皇上的爱人，她是娘娘。
Oh, wait, say what we practiced.
加微信。
微信吗？
微信。
no。
公主，公主。
My mother 不加微信。
Okay. 加微信。No, no, 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 no. You're ugly. No. You look broke. No.
What about the next line?
Schweihard.
Tandy, what does that mean? What does it mean exactly?
Play together.
Yeah, so it's basically let me hit. It has, that's it.
No.
It is, yes.
Damn. Holy sh**. They're huge.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Do what?
Carlos, wear my short.
That's huge. Was it also made ancient era?
Huh?
Or is this recent?
No, actually.
This looks very recent, right?
Oh, nice.
Just one side.
Yeah, take it. A little bit. Yeah, there you go. Purple, sure, sure.
Shoo. It's like an ice cream. Mmm.
Well, actually,
The sugar is good. Mmm.
it's good. Hard to eat.
Yeah, this is kimchi. Duck, sauce. Now we need the vegetables. And you roll it. Peking duck. It's not. You got the trash.
Kidding me?
Thai shit. Not that hungry either.
I don't want to. The shrimp, the duck is good.
It's for you. Full bite.